If you've been scrolling online and stumbled upon Sunnyside claiming to be the #1 mindful drinking app that helps you cut back on alcohol without forcing you to quit completely, you're probably wondering if it's really as life-changing as it sounds, or if it's just another overhyped subscription gimmick, and that's exactly what we're going to dig into today. Sunnyside presents itself as more than just a simple tracking app. It promises a science-backed system that blends personalized SMS reminders, in-app goal setting, and motivational coaching to help people build healthier habits around drinking, all while protecting your privacy and offering a 30-day money-back guarantee to give you peace of mind. On paper, this all sounds like a game-changer, but when we look deeper, the picture becomes more nuanced. The platform has been around for a long time. Its domain was first registered back in 2010, which suggests it isn't one of those fly-by-night operations that pop up and disappear, and that longevity is a good sign of legitimacy. Adding to that, Sunnyside has been featured in major outlets like Forbes, The New York Times, and USA Today, which instantly gives it mainstream credibility that many wellness apps don't have. There's even a clinical study that reports users saw an average 30% reduction in alcohol consumption after 90 days of using the app, which is a concrete number rather than vague marketing hype. Looking at user feedback, the app scores an impressive 4.8 stars on the App Store with over 1,800 reviews, and it's been downloaded more than 10,000 times on the Google Play Store, showing a solid and growing community of users. However, the Trustpilot rating is more mixed, 3.9 stars from nearly 300 people, where some users praised the supportive daily nudges and progress tracking, while others expressed frustration over the subscription costs and said the impact varied depending on how disciplined they were in following the program. The company does maintain an active presence on social media and is fairly transparent about how their system works, which suggests they aren't trying to hide behind vague promises like some shady platforms out there. But here's the thing, while Sunnyside clearly isn't a scam, it's also not a magic bullet. Whether it works for you will depend on how engaged you are with it, how much you're willing to spend on a monthly subscription, and whether small behavior changes guided by tech can actually fit into your lifestyle. So at the end of the day, is Sunnyside legit? Yes, it's a real platform with science-backed results and thousands of happy users, but whether it's truly worth the investment depends entirely on your personal goals, your budget, and your level of commitment.